How to use the Expiry Dashboard. Welcome to our training video on navigating the expiry section of the dashboard module. First, make sure you're in the dashboard. The expiries feature conveniently displays any expiring records related to staff and students. To view, click on the Expiries tab and select your desired time range, like the next 3 months. After adjusting the calendar, hit the Apply button. A list will appear with names and expiration types. Check the Additional Details column for extra information, if applicable. For instance, you might see a medication nearing its expiration. You can easily filter results by staff, student, member, record type, or expiry date. Under the Action column, you can also hide expiries that you no longer wish to see in your report/filtering. Use the filters beside each column to refine your search. Select Person Type to choose among student, staff, or member expiries, or pick Record Type to see specific options. Once you select a filter option, the list will refresh to match your criteria. You can also organize by expiry date, from soonest to latest. For more information on a record, click the individual's name. Here, you can review and modify details like an upcoming criminal record check expiration. Update necessary documents such as subsidy approvals for children or first aid records for staff. You can also download expiry details as a CSV file from the bottom left corner. The Expiry Dashboard streamlines the process, eliminating the need for regular manual checks. Efficiently filter and send reminders as required.